Never ever beg for subscribers on YouTube. What do I mean? In the grand scheme of things, subscribers mean nothing to the YouTube algorithm. Why am I saying so? Of course, it is important if you're starting out for you to knock that 1,000 subscriber mark. But of more importance is you ensuring you have high quality, addictive videos which are gonna ensure you have a high retention rate. Because guys, that is what is important to the YouTube business. A high retention rate, not a high count of subscribers. Because a high retention rate is the positive signal which is gonna propel your videos to the YouTube algorithm, and in essence, YouTube to continue recommending more and more of your videos. Even if you have 500,000 subscribers out there with shitty content, chances are you're gonna just be getting tens of views with each upload. But you can find someone, for example, who has even just 1,000 subscribers out there, knocking hundreds of thousands of views out there. It's because their content is A1. So, as a YouTuber, you should be targeting or aiming towards improving your content, improving your videos, improving your storytelling, improving your hooks to ensure your audience is hooked across the entire different time frames or the entire script of your video. If you do that, you won't be out there begging for subscribers. Rather, subscribers are gonna come on board by themselves, and also the YouTube algorithm is gonna propel your channel. What do you think? I think you shouldn't be begging for subscribers out there. Rather, give them awesome content, give them very high utility, and people are gonna subscribe to your channel because they want to.